Create this simple food poster in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Select 1080 by 1080 pixels. First, change the background color to black. Then, go to Elements and add a green background image. Go to Edit and make it 30% blur. Set this image as the background. Go back to the elements and add a triangle shape. Change the color to white. Adjust the size and position. Add a food plate. Add a shadow under the plate. Add a shape again. Change the color to white. Rotate it to 10 degrees. Add a text. Change the color to dark green. Change the font to League Spartan. Make it uppercase. Also rotate it 10 degrees. Select the shape and text and make it duplicate. Make them a little smaller and rotate them. Go to Elements and add a leaf. Remove the background. Duplicate it. Again, duplicate this and make 70% blur. Duplicate this leaf. Add a discount sticker. Change the color to white and white to dark green. Search for the elements and add a couple of decorative elements. Change the color to white. These will also be white. Change the element's color to dark green. Add a text. Change the font to Montserrat. Duplicate this text and make it bold. Again, duplicate this text. Add an Order Now button. Change the red color to dark green. Go to Elements and add a green glow. Go to the position and drag this glow under all the elements. Add a shadow under all the leaves by duplicating. Add a circle shape. Change the color to white. Duplicate it 2 times. Add 3 social media icons and change their color to dark green. Lastly, adjust the size and position of any elements if needed. Here is the final result. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get this design template, just comment below. Thanks for watching.